All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Repurpose Kings. Brian's wife, Karen, has placed an order for a new fireplace mantle.
So here's our current mantle, and we prefer something a little bit more rustic. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the old mantle, and then I'm going to do a German smear technique on the brick. And I have some old oak beams out of my shop that are very beat up and rustic. I think they're going to be really beautiful once we get them cleaned up and sanded and stained. And as you can see here, here's a picture of the beams. You can see how bad they look.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. This is a very tame video that we've done. We do a lot more metal stuff and welding, and this is for my house, so we did it and thought we'd show you. Thought it turned out really good.
Yeah, this was more of a life necessity, if you want to call it that.
Mm-hmm.
Like
you did one for your wife, I did one for my wife, so we're good. Now it's back to, what do you want to do next?
Probably that chandelier.
Yeah, we got chandelier. Well, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. I think it turned out really well. If you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe, comment, tell us what you think. That did not